The Art of Argumentation, crafting the perfect argumentative thesis statement. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of academic writing. Our focus? The argumentative thesis statement. Mastering this will not only enhance your essays but also equip you to present robust arguments. So, let's get started. An argumentative thesis statement makes a claim about a topic and justifies this claim with specific evidence. It's not just an observation or a fact. Instead, it takes a stand and demands defense. For instance, instead of saying, "Apples are a type of fruit," an argumentative thesis might state, "Apples are the most nutritious fruit because of their vitamin content." 1. Assertive. It should state an arguable point, not just a fact. "The sky is blue" isn't arguable, but "blue light is beneficial for boosting alertness during the daytime" is. 2. Specific. A thesis must be precise enough to allow for a coherent argument and remain focused on the topic. 3. Supported. Though your paper will provide the detailed support, your thesis should hint at the evidence by being feasible. 4. Clear and concise. Avoid jargon and ensure that the audience can understand the statement without needing additional clarification. 5. Positioned correctly. Typically, the thesis statement is located at the end of the introductory paragraph. Let's look at the steps. 1. Pick a topic. Choose a subject that can be debated. Remember, if everyone agrees, it's not arguable. 2. Ask a question. Convert your topic into a question. Example: what are the benefits of using solar energy? 3. Take a position. Answer your question. Your answer becomes your position. Example: solar energy benefits the environment by reducing carbon emissions. 4. Refine and be specific. Be more precise. Example: among renewable energy sources, solar energy is the most beneficial for the environment due to its ability to reduce harmful carbon emissions and decrease reliance on fossil fuels. 1. Vague statements. Avoid overly broad claims or basic facts. 2. Subjectivity. While it's an argument, base it on evidence and research, not just personal opinion. 3. Complex sentences. While depth is good, don't let your thesis become too convoluted. Remember, clarity is key. And there we have it. The essential guide to crafting a compelling argumentative thesis statement. We hope you're now equipped to form persuasive arguments in your essays. Keep practicing, refine your skills, and remember, the strength of your essay begins with a strong thesis. Until next time, happy writing!